Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video I'm gonna fix your problem. The problem is, how to fix LG IMS service has been stopped. If you wanna fix your problem then watch this video till the end. So without any further ado let's get started. First you have to open your mobile settings. Now scroll down and find out software update. Now tap on download and install. From here you have to update your mobile first. If your mobile is up to date then go back to settings again. Now tap on apps. From here search messages. Then tap on storage. From here you have to clear cache and then clear data. Now tap on this menu icon. Now enable system apps. Now search IMS. Tap on it. Then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now do the same thing with this two app. Now go back to your mobile homepage. Now restart your phone. After restarting your phone your problem will be solved. So please like this video and comment if you have any problem.